Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas light singles. This one is using bright opaque beads and this one is using clear, like those translucent sparkly beads. I think they both look pretty cute, so it depends on what colors you have available. Okay, so we're going to start with mini pony beads in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or whatever color you have. And I'm also using the mini pony beads in a dark green. If you don't have the dark green, any green or black will do. I'm also using a larger barrel. This one is a 9mm regular size pony bead that matches the color of this, because this is going to be the string. So this is going to be the string part and these are going to be your light bulbs. Okay, so just work with whatever color you have. I have some elastic here. I think that for this project, let me just show you really quickly. If you use the white elastic, some of the white is going to show through there, whereas if you use the clear, it's not going to show. So again, depends on what you have. Okay, so I'm going to start with one of the dark green, the big dark green, and then I'm going to put 7 reds. Okay, small green, big green, 7 reds. And pull it all the way down. Okay, so from here, very easy. I'm going to go up this bead. And when I go up this bead, it's going to look like this. And then I'm going to go in the opposite direction of this smaller green bead to make a loop, and that's going to hold all those beads in place. Let me scoot this down a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's my first light. So onto this other string, the longer end, I'm going to add 7 beads. One of the larger green, and then my next light color, which happens to be orange. You kind of want to make sure that this is nice and tight right here, because if it's loose, it's going to be hard to pull everything through later. So make sure that this is nice and tight. So I'm always holding on to the string just to keep that tension. I'm going to go up through this green bead and down through the small green bead next to that big one. Loop it. Here we go. So the 6 beads that I add here in the middle, those are kind of like the spacer beads. So if you have a larger wrist, or you want to wear your single higher up on your arm, you might want to add more beads there. I noticed that this feels a little loose, so I'm actually going to pull the light a little bit closer. Okay. Okay. Seven little green beads. next light bead, which is going to be yellow for me. Oh, I forgot a big green bead, and then the yellows. Okay, and go up that large green bead and down through that smaller green bead. Make a loop. There we go. Okay. Next color. Seven beads on. One big green one, and here are my lime greens, 7 of them. Okay, up the green bead and then down through the smaller green bead. Everything is a pattern now. We're just repeating these steps over and over. Okay, here we go. 7 on. Big green bead. Next color for my lights, which is blue for me. Okay, it's going to go up the green, down the smaller green, okay, last light, seven small green beads, 1 large green bead, and then 7 lights. So this one I'm using purple. Up the green bead. And then down to make the loop. Okay. And just grab a little bit more this green color. Okay, going to add 6. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Let's pop these beads. Okay, so you have a choice. You can either keep going and make some string lights, or you could tie it off and make a bracelet. So I added 6 here to connect the purple lights with the red lights here. Add another knot. Okay. This looks super cute. I love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon.